So the turbo chart continues to follow bullish projections right now. There are two, let's say, short-term bullish scenarios I'm tracking here from the swing low in April. We had a 5-wave move up. So to include a little bit of education here, the 5-wave move told us that we can expect a corrective pullback. And then it's typically this zone that we're watching between the 38.2 retracement and the 78.6 retracement area. And then normally if we're dealing with a wave 2 or a B wave pullback, it's even ideal if the price reaches the 50% retracement at least or a little lower. It did that in this case, so it was pretty nice. That pullback, also the rally after the April high was quite extended, quite aggressive, quite impulsive actually. I mean, it is a meme coin. A lot of meme coins rallied quite nicely in this cycle. So from this low then we started a rally. And the first ideal, so if it's an ABC structure, I need to consider the yellow count as well. Then the 100% extension is around 1.4 cents. Yeah, someone asked me recently, do you still believe 1.4 cents? Yeah, it's not 1.4 cents. It's 1.4 cents. No, person asked me, do you still expect $1.40 or something? I was like, what? No, not $1.40. It's 1.4 cents. Yeah, this is kind of the first ideal target, like the typical A equals C target, and we are on our way to that right now. Can go higher in the white count, but let's first see if we can get to that one. I always say with meme coins especially, take it level by level. Hold on, I just want to go to the 1 hour chart. And then in terms of microstructures, at the moment, some of these movements are clearer than others. I mean, I have here as well, I can say that this might be a 1-2 setup, but I mean, is this maybe another 1-2 setup here? You know, this is difficult to read on the nano level. But I would say there's a good chance this is also some kind of a diagonal structure, like, for example, Arrow. We covered it before, yeah. That this may be an A wave up, it's forming a B wave now, and then just continues higher. Or it might be some kind of a wave 4. That's also possible. I just don't have a very reliable micro count here. Ideally, if it's a wave 4, it wouldn't even break below the 50% fib level. If it's a B wave, it could technically go a little higher, but really at this point, I'd like it to stay above that breakout point, and I'd really like it to stay above the 50% retracement at 0.0048. So overall focus on higher prices, still holding Fibonacci support. I would like it to avoid a deep pullback. That would not really look great in terms of proportions. So yeah, overall short-term bullish outlook, and the next resistance is here, yeah, where we've got the next signal line. We need to get a decisive break above 0.0065 next, and that would unlock then prices in that 1.4 cent area.